I'll tell you something. My master told me one thing. You don't know how much joy can you derive if you don't do something. You only know how much joy will you derive if you do something. You have known only this. By picking up this hanky, how much joy are you deriving? Have you ever tried to understand how much joy will you derive if you don't pick up this hanky? That side you have not known. I will not do it. You see. So when you start disciplining yourself, you will find a great joy, a great strength within yourself. Disciplining does not mean that you should not do something. This is not my point. You should know 4 things when you discipline yourself. What to do, when to do, how to do, and where to do. You see. Because in these 4, there is discrimination. Buddhi is advice. What to do? Buddhi advises. Where to do? Buddhi is advising you. How to do? Buddhi is giving you skill. When to do? Anything you do with the counsel of your buddhi, there will be no problem. When you don't counsel your buddhi and go against the counseling of your buddhi, you lose volition. You lose willpower.